Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2001 F-150. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 4.6-liter engine, and comes with an automatic transmission. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote keyless entry, rear step bumper, fog lights, fog lamps, speed control, front wheel independent suspension, 4-wheel disc brakes. Inside you'll find auxiliary audio input, premium sound system, adjustable pedals, MP3 player, power door locks, power windows, tachometer, power steering, tilt steering wheel, leather-wrapped steering wheel.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.